Hello friends. In this video we saw how to get job opportunities in AWS. If you like this video then subscribe my channel GamTech Studio. Is AWS good for career? Yes, AWS is a good career option for a fresher. In cloud computing, AWS has been on top for almost 6 years now and they are not going to lose their market soon, so AWS is a good option. You have a good point. Can you get a job with AWS? The short answer is that an AWS certification alone will not get you a job. Unless you have several AWS certifications. This is usually the case. Everyone seems to have their Solutions Architect Associate certification, so that's not going to make you stand out when applying for an AWS Solution Architect job. Does Amazon Web Services pay well? The average annual pay for the Amazon Web Services jobs category in the United States is $119,375 a year. People working within the Amazon Web Services category in your area are making on average $122,202 per year, or $2,827, 2%, more than the national average annual salary of $119,375. Can you get an AWS job with no experience? Amazon Web Service requires no coding. Amazon does not seek any prior experience or programming skills. In other terms, if you are eager and have confidence, then an AWS job with no experience is suitable for you. But having the Amazon Web Service certificate is demanded by the company. Is AWS still in demand? AWS certifications remain a hot commodity in the tech industry, and a moving target. As new technologies emerge, enterprises demand cloud professionals with evolving IT skill sets.